Please do.
Yeah. So in my hands I have the new Shine Turbine, portable obviously. It's super light, which is kind of crazy. And we're going to unbox it for the first time. Use wind to charge your gadgets, the Shine Turbine. Little start guide there. Let's take a look inside. Oh, look at this. Good job with the reusable packaging, by the way. And this little pouch that comes in. Here it is. Pretty small, pretty light. That's my first impressions. Little charging stations here. Charge your gadgets on the go. And can we go try it?
Let's go try it. So what are you most excited about?
I'm excited to see this thing in action. I'm excited to see how long it takes to set up and how much power it generates. And we got a decent day for it. I like this little pouch that you can get too. Sweet. So what I want to do now is just empty it out, right?
Yeah, take out the parts.
The little top comes off. And whoa, that's pretty cool. That's it. That's everything.
That's everything.
That's super cool. Amazing. And then I'm going to take this to undo the blades or to loosen them.
Yeah, so you just open them up.
Okay. And it stops when it's ready. Awesome. And now here I just want to open the blades up.
Yeah. And then once you're done that, you can secure them with the tool.
Oh, so I lock it back up?
Yeah.
Okay.
Have you done this before?
I like to say I have, but I just have a good teacher. No, it's pretty intuitive. It's really cool. It all kind of just makes sense, to be honest. Okay.
All right, so now we're ready to set up the mount and the guy wires, and we'll put that on and start making some energy.
So this goes, okay, so I see. So that actually was only a couple minutes. I was super impressed by how quick that was. It's just like putting up a little tent. You got some pegs there. And then this just goes right on top?
Yep.
And I'm assuming this little hole here.
Yes, exactly.
Right. Okay, and then the cord.
It hooks right there. Yeah, exactly.
Perfect. And that's it.
Yeah.
What? So on this end, just an example, I have a phone. So you just plug the phone in.
Yeah. Boom.
And this already comes pre-charged, right? You can charge it at home.
Yeah, there's a 12,000 milliamp hour battery in it, so
Wow.
holds a lot of power.
That's super cool. And then you just let it go.
Let it go.
That's amazing. Listen, I cannot wait to try this thing out. I mean, we take our drones all these crazy places and we always need power. Obviously our phones, things like that. Really cool, really light. I'm super impressed. I can't wait to like fully try it out in nature. So thank you so much for this opportunity to give it a shot. I'm impressed. I'm sold.
Sweet. High five.
Yeah, buddy.